What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your toilet water shutoff valve. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Now as you can see, this valve is very old and corroded. It's actually turned green. These valves do go bad over time. I'd say you should replace these every 7 to 10 years. I personally have had one of these burst and flood a bathroom, so it's a good idea to change these when they start to get old. It's a good idea to spray a little WD-40 the day before you work on it on these connections if there's any signs of corrosion. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is turn off your water main or a water supply valve that cuts off to that water line. Then we'll go ahead and shut the valve. We'll flush the toilet to get rid of all the water in the tank. Now you're going to want to have some towels or a little bucket underneath ready. And we're going to take a crescent wrench, an adjustable wrench. We're going to put it right on this nut right here. And we're going to turn it counterclockwise to loosen it up. You can use an adjustable wrench like this or even some adjustable pliers. I'll make sure I put some links down in the description to the tools I use, guys. So we'll just undo this slowly. It'll start to drip out. Take it off all the way. Holy Toledo. Now before we remove the valve, we're going to slowly open it up like this and drain all the water from the main line coming out of the wall. Now we're going to put our same crescent wrench right here on the bolt on the valve, and we're going to turn it counterclockwise carefully to make sure when you first turn it, this back pipe isn't turning as well. If that is, you're either going to need to hold the back pipe with some large pliers, adjustable pliers, or a pipe wrench like this to keep it from spinning, because you don't want that back connection to loosen up as well. We'll just keep loosening this up till we can get it off all the way. Okay, now we should be able to unscrew the rest of the valve by hand. There we go. We'll take a rag and we're going to clean up the threads. So it's a good idea to bring your old valve to the hardware store so you make sure you get the right new one. And as you can feel when you open and close the new one, it's much smoother and easier than the old ones. You'll feel more resistance when you're turning, and it's going to be a little more grindy, like gritty. Okay, we're going to take some pipe thread tape now and we're going to wrap it around the threads. We're going to wrap it clockwise. That way it won't back out when we put the new valve on. Now I also like to use a little pipe dope on the threads, pipe thread sealant. You just put a little on the male portion right here, always on the male portion. Then we will thread our new valve onto the end by hand at first. Then we'll start turning it on with our wrench. So it should be tight, but it doesn't have to be too tight. I'm just going to put it back where it was. We can go ahead and hook that hose from the toilet tank up, and that doesn't need any thread sealer tape or anything. It has a rubber gasket. And then you only need to give it about a quarter turn to a half of a turn with your pliers or your wrench. I want to kink this line. You want to keep as much pressure off this line when you tighten them down, so just feel it so it's not all bound up. You want it to go with the natural curve. If you twist this, you'll end up putting a lot more pressure on the line and it'll fail faster. And lastly, we can go ahead and open our water valve back up, our main valve. Now we can go ahead and slowly open our valve up and inspect for leaks. Could be leaks from the valve, any of these connections. Alright guys, all our connections are good, no leaks. Hopefully something in this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up for me. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos, guys. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.